guys, welcome to Learnandenjoy kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're gonna cook an Iranian tasted dish called Eggplant Kotlet. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos as soon as they are uploaded. The ingredients: 2 large eggplants, ground meat 200 grams, boiled potato 1, egg 1, dried dill 2 tablespoons, fresh parsley as you need, garlic 2 cloves, salt, black pepper, and turmeric. First, put a pot of water on the stove and boil the potato. Meanwhile, peel the eggplants and grate them with the large side of the grater. After you grate the eggplants, sprinkle some salt on them and put them aside for half an hour. When the potato is boiled and cooked, peel it and grate it with the large side of the grater. Now take the extra juice of eggplants and squeeze them to dry. Next, put grated eggplants, grated potato, ground meat, dried dill, fresh parsley, salt, black pepper, and turmeric in a bowl. Break an egg in the bowl too. Then peel 2 cloves of garlic and mash them and add them to other ingredients. Mix all the ingredients and knead them well. Then let it rest in the fridge for about an hour. After an hour, take it out. Take some of the ingredients and form them. Now they're ready to be fried. Put a pan on the stove and add some oil to it. When the oil is hot, put the cutlets that you have formed one by one in the pan and wait till one side of them fries. Then turn them over to fry the other side. When both sides of them are fried, put them on a sheet of oil-absorbing pad to take out the extra oil. It's ready to serve. Let's set the table. Bon appétit! I hope you cook it and enjoy it with your family. Don't forget to follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Till another recipe, goodbye.